guys, we're gonna go outside and then we're gonna go choose out some pool toys of you. For us, scared me. Here we go. We go do some pool toys of you. What do we got here? This big ol' non-stop pad. What's one of you guys want to do today? Yes, I want to do this one.
All right, buddy. So did you get your boat?
Yes, I got my boat. We also got AAA batteries.
Picked one out. Oh, it says it takes AAA batteries?
Yeah.
Well, it said it takes 6, right?
Yeah. This one is 6. Look. There's 6 inside the package. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, there's actually 8 inside the package. So we're going to use 6 of that 8, right? You got a screwdriver? All right.
It's the way you can take them out, and then there's a flathead screwdriver in there too.
Okay, cool. I think we need the Phillips though, right?
Yeah.
All right. So first of all, what's it called?
R.
It is an XB, it looks like. Let's try to get fancy with the font. A remote control, so it's RC Sailboat. Your remote controlled voyage awaits, complete with full function controls. All right, so this is what it looks like. That was the back of the package. This is what it looks like. This 3D packaging, very
Look
cool.
at that part. That part goes at, what the?
We'll figure it out.
Oh, it goes at the bottom of the boat.
Oh yeah, there's it. That's what I was looking for. So here's the anatomy of the boat. That's the assembly right there. That's cool. It's like right on the end of the package. That's awesome. It does require 6 AA batteries. 6 AA batteries. And we're going to get it out and get it in the water. There's the remote control right there. You can see.
So when you open on this
undo
side.
it, dude. Some lawn maintenance going on next door. So making some noise, right? All right. So we got that. You got your controller there?
Yes.
All right. Let's put the batteries in this guy.
Where's the batteries?
Where'd our screwdriver go? Let's see. All right, we'll pick that up, be right back. All right, so we got the batteries in this guy. Very simple, 2 AA's, and then 3 AA's go in here. This is really easy too, because it's just this guy on top.
And the screw.
The screw goes in, and then...
the latch.
Yep, you turn that latch, right, dude?
Yeah. So we're
So-
gonna put this on.
Now we're gonna put the batteries in this and be right back. All right, so we got the batteries in here, this part back on. Liam, you've got the bottom piece, so it slides on here.
See how we do it?
You see that guy? Just slide him in there. All right, hang on. All right, so we're good. We got it pointing the wrong way. Nice. Now, let's grab,
Control.
yep, nope, put the sail.
Of course, we need another part of the sail.
Yeah.
Another part.
This guy goes towards the back like this.
What's this one?
We're gonna assemble this part and then we'll be back to show you. We did, we got it put together. We got the front sail put on here, little RC sail. We got the little bar attached to it. So the sail attaches to that and the bar attaches here first and then to these two. We got the bottom piece put on, and Liam, are you ready
To go.
to go? I don't see an off-on switch. Let's see, guys. Put it in the water.
I want to fix it.
Ooh, paired up on its own. All right, drive it, buddy. Whoa, turn it. Oh, you're backing it up. Dude, what do you think? It's pretty cool. take a rest for a minute. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. He's in the marina, right?
No, let's hook him up to the wall.
All right, good job.
Wait, there is it.
It's our wall marina.
This?
Look at you, little engineer. What are you doing? Putting that guy there to capture this mast? Dude.
When it goes away, it's not gonna go away.
Dolphin swim.
I'm gonna push in sight.
Look at that, man. You can use the case as a mast clamp to keep the boat beside the wall if you want to.
All we need to do is...
Dude, genius.
This is heavy.
Perfect. Nice.
You ready for dolphin swim? Swim
Over
this. Split from this side to the other.
This side to the other?
Yeah. With
Show
my
me.
eyes open.
Show me Sir Dolphin. Go.
Liam full toys of view, dolphin.
Liam, full toys of you, dolphin.
And 3, 2, 1. Now back to the other side.
Back to the other side. Here we go and
I'm
go.
gonna do a dive first.
A dive?
And then start swimming.
All right. Remember, this is a shallow end.
Right there, okay?
Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yep.
This thing definitely gets 5 sharp teeth.
5. Oh, there he goes.
That's a speedo. Guys, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And the Goofy Kids today. Get out the water. Oh, it feels definitely like just water on him.
Oh, no water. Here's a cool thing. On the bottom, there's this little plug right here. And this is like an outflow thing. So if you get water in the guy, you can pull this plug, see if you can get any water to come out. We don't have any water in there right now. All right, it's got blades on the back. So here's one thing, guys, you really don't want to do. Take your hands off the remote control, please. Thank you, buddy. One thing you really don't want to do is ever touch that remote control while somebody has him picked up, because these blades hit it for me. No, just press 1 forward. You know what? It may not go unless it's in the water. That may be a cool safety feature. Can't promise that though. Ready?
You guys ready? Let's see what the blades do.
Now the cool thing, guys, since it had to be in the water to run, that's cool. I'm gonna go underwater and show you guys what the propellers do once they come on, okay? Alright, what do you say? You can do it, Bubba?
I can do it, Bubba.
Say you can do it, Bubba.
You can do it, Bubba.
Try it.